How to change YouTube language on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can change the YouTube language on mobile device without any delay. Let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So the recent update of YouTube allows you to change the language on YouTube, so make sure to update your app to the latest version. After launching your app, you'll be able to see this kind of interface after you have logged in. So in order to change the language, you just need to head over to your profile at the top bottom right. After that, just get to the gear icon, and here you can see general option at the first. Just tap on it, and here you can see app language. You just need to switch the language. You can see bunch of languages here that you may be comfortable with. If you want to change it to any of the language, you may just select one of the languages. I'm gonna select Chinese for now and type in change, and it says this will change the language used in the app, including buttons, text, and dialogues. It may take a while. Just tap on change and your language should be changed on your app. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to change your language on YouTube very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.